with your girl, we can share it. Might buy her diamonds and pearls, but can't marry.
Hey man, what's going on? I'm back at with another vlog, you dig what I'm saying? We got the top bar, getting ready to go. We about to head over to this car meet. You know what I'm saying? If you know what car that is, if you know, you know. Anyway, we about to head to this car meet real quick. Start at 6, but we like 38 minutes away, plus traffic. But I haven't drove my Type R like in 2 weeks. So like, bro, I just feel like driving it. So, yeah, I hate you when I get there, some roads and shit. It should be packed, but I don't know how packed it's gonna be. Let me get my shit so I can close my garage, goddammit. But yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all when I get to the car meet and see what's going on. Also, I'm hungry, so I might go get some food. Car meet should be packed though. Also, subscribe if you're new. Gang. Alright, so look, we got to the meet. It was nobody there, so I didn't start recording type shit. Shout out, young ass, think about on the camera, you know what I'm saying? But look, so we put up to the meet, and I guess the property, what the fuck? Get that. Right in the car. Anyways, back to me. Yeah, I like that, yeah. I like that, but.
Crash reported ahead on 5.
Man, oh, damn.
You're still on the fastest.
Damn. Damn, that shit is fucked. Anyways, so, still here. What I was saying? Oh, yeah. So we got kicked out that spot, but the vendors was there, the food truck was there, everybody was there. We still got kicked out. Whatever. We going to a new spot. I'm gonna hit you when we get there. Okay. Alright, so we just got to the meet, as you can kind of clearly see. You know, we got my boy right here. He got some shit. Hey, I know it was the best intro I've seen in my life. I just point the camera. You know what time it is. We just got to the meet, you dig? I like how they should track though. Bro, we gon' ball today, fuck tomorrow. That's it, oh. What's up behind you? We got Midnight Purple GTR. Goddamn, what's the name of this shit again? Viper. I just said that shit too and I forgot. Subaru. Bro.
You're smart. You should have stayed in the light.
I know, but
What is that?
What? A Viper. You never seen one? Look at the plate on the Supra. It's a girl driving it, right? She said, boy, bye. It's a girl driving that shit. It's tough.
Look at that logo. No, we ain't got that shit.
That shit, no bueno. Carbon fiber hood is crazy.
Over here.
Yo, I look at this. What's going on here? What up, gang?
Hi.
We got this Corvette go crazy. Corvette. Hot in the moment. M2 is hard too. That wing crazy. That wing on the M2 stupid. Oh, whoa, move is crazy. But we just been here walking around. Y'all probably seen hella footage. But tomorrow's the real car meet, you dig? Tomorrow is the day, right? You fuck with it? You got it for the Type R?
Throwback.
That shit's hard.